ZOERAX, I think's what that is. And you can see right here, cable system and networking and data storage equipment. That's what it is. Number one, that really nice case. It came just like this, really cool looking little case. You open it up, you're gonna see, I'm gonna show you everything you get with it. We'll lay it out right here. So there's a few items right here. Now, I'm not claiming I'm any type of networking genius right here, but one thing I have done, I have worked on networking on these Cat 5 type cables. I'll just kind of like lay everything out and show you what you get. You get the Cat 5 tips. These are the tips right there that goes on the cable. And there's the covers. So what you'll do, you'll slide that cover down. And these are the like the kind of waterproofing covers that go on the cables. You get a set of side cutters. Pretty solid side cutters with a spring. I always like my spring-loaded side cutters. This right here is the crimping device. You have a cutter in the back, and then you have the crimping cable in the top right here. A little small top flathead screwdriver and a small Phillips head screwdriver. And then looking over this, so this is another type of cutting top material right there for cutting. There's another item right here for stripping wires. I think I've seen that for stripping down wires. And then right here is for testing. I just got this in. I've actually not even taken it out. And how much you're getting out of it. You can take them apart right there. And there's the remote one, and you can do the cable testing. This is very handy for when you're like testing your cables to make sure that everything's hooked up. And another crimping system. And this one feels very premium, everybody. That has a very premium feel. It looks like you have the 8P and the 6P. And then right here, you got an extra little razor to change it out, so you can change those out right there when you're cutting it. Look how easy. Look how quick that cuts. I made quick work of that. Now if I want to strip the cable, I'll go right here. Wow, that works so good. Look how nice that works. So that's all I got today, everybody, on the ZOERAX networking kit. See you on the next video.